Hello traders, and welcome to the online edition of Hit the Mark Trading, our daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rhymes and today's date is Thursday, December 12, 2013. We are showing 2013 out the door. Okay, I'd like to ask you please check out hitthemarktrading.com. Check out the boot camp that I offer. You want to learn about trend and momentum trading, there's no better way to learn it. Go to the contacts page and you can sign up for weekly blog updates. Okay. You'll also have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. There it is. Basically, Rooster Call is my morning note to clients, and I'm sending this to free for everybody right now. And I look at the news wires, I look at the charts just to make everybody aware. So for example, I reminded, gold was down. Well, we talked about gold being down when we did our homework in one of the nightly videos. So the fall in gold today was no surprise, and of course we are positioned in gold. Okay, let's get on to the disclaimer. Remember, everything that I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. All right, wow, well here's the daily chart. US dollar daily index. And you can see how the retail sales report pushed this thing up. What else can we say? Well, gosh, every time we get near 79,500, then it acts as a good support. What else can we say? Well, we came down to retest that area. Now we can certainly fall back down, but we came down to retest, and at this point in time it looks like it wants to move higher. Now when I draw these lines on my indicator, I like to draw them up here at 150. So I'm making a little trader discretion here, drawing it a little lower. You can see that we don't have a break or anything that signals along on the indicator. Okay, you can see that. But if we rise higher, the key, first we're going to go to the 80-50. That's a given because that's the moving average. The key is going to be what happens at the top of this channel. Okay, let's look at the weekly. Here we go, down and up. 1 day left, down and up. If we see this indicator pop back up, that's a reversal signal. Okay, great. One more time, monthly chart says, please don't get too excited. All I do is bang up and down, up and down, up and down. Where we will become a little more excited is when we see a break of this big monthly chart line. That's a huge event. Okay. Let's look at the day trading. All right, so the market heard that report at 8:30. Here's 8:30, and then boom, proceeded to rise. Hung out at the floor pivot and rose further. Okay, so this is a classic turnaround here. Nice turnaround here. We've got the floor pivots to the right here now, so we should not be surprised if there is a retest of this main floor pivot. Otherwise, it's important to see we finally broke the top. Okay. Now the way price likes to work, it'll probably come down here and test here. Could even test this line again before it roars back up. Okay. All right. Obviously, anything the central bank says or does or can cause this thing to fall. Now, we have an economic report tomorrow, and it's going to be the measure of inflation. And the importance of this is that if we get a report that shows, it's a producer price index, if we have a report that shows lower than expected producer price increase, okay? Right now they're looking for a consensus of 0.1%, minus 0.1%. So if we go below that by any substantial degree, then traders are likely to infer that if there's no inflation, then the Federal Reserve has more room to continue stimulating the economy, and that would turn into a reason to sell the dollar again. So very tricksy business here on this US dollar index. That's it for tonight. I'll talk to you on Sunday.